I just wanted to give you guys some really exciting news to my channel. I now have a new sponsor, and that is 67 Designs out of Texas. This is Jendell Overland, brought to you by London, Ontario Jeeps and 67 Designs. I got a package in today from one of my new sponsors of the channel, 67 Designs. And we've got some GoPro mounts. With some mounting balls. And then I got the track for each one of my Jeeps. Of course, I got an awesome sticker. I'm just going to do the one install today for the GoPros, and then I'm going to show you how that looks. Oh yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. So let's go out to the Jeep. The first step of this install is to remove the rubber tray from the cubby on your dash. This will reveal two factory mounting screws, one on the passenger side and the others on the driver's side. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, but don't discard them as we're going to need them later. Next, we're going to take the JL Gladiator Series 55 rail mount base out of its packaging. It's going to fit perfectly where the rubber mat was. The second set of screws will go right through here, but we're going to wait for warmer weather in order to drop the windshield and drill the pilot holes. For now, we're going to peel the 3M mounting tape back and place it back into the dash cavity, and then use the factory screws that we removed earlier to fasten it down. Once that is complete, it is time to install the 20mm track balls. You will need to loosen them up at the bottom in order for them to fit inside the track. Once you have them positioned correctly, use a supplied Allen wrench to tighten the track balls into place. Do not over-tighten. Hand tight is fine. With this installation, I chose to go with a dual GoPro mount setup in matte finish. To install, simply loosen the wing nut on the side of the mount, slip it over the trackball, position it into your specs, and then tighten the wing nut to prevent your GoPro from vibrating down the trail. Install the GoPro cameras to your desired angle, and then you're finished with this installation. This is how I set up my cameras. I have a driver's camera on the right and the trail camera in the middle. This will leave room for any accessories that I plan to use in the future. Plenty of room when I order the phone and tablet mounts, also offered by 67 Designs. Truly is my favorite mounting system on the market today. As a matter of fact, I liked it so much, I also installed it on my Gladiator as well. If you're a rock crawler or an overlander and you want to capture either video footage or photos to look on down in the future, this system is essential for your setup as well. I'm going to leave a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Tell me you saw it on my channel, Jendal Overland. Thank you 67 Designs for making this video possible and becoming a sponsor to my channel. Tune in next week to see the Warn winch install video.